Good morning, friends, and welcome to the vlog. So today, I'm running errands today. Yeah, I don't have any client today. Next day pa. So, ayan na yung Dodge na, grabe, he wants to go out. But, he cannot go out kasi kumakain pa si Maui. And if he goes out, then Maui will not eat. Kasi maglalaro na sila. So, it's almost 10. I need to, lagyan na, to eat breakfast first before we leave. Kasi, masakit yung ulo ko, guys. Ayan, no, Bigel! Eat na dito! Eat na dito. Go ahead. Eat your foodie. Eat your breakfast. Ayan, so, I don't know what, if this vlog is going to be, you know, there's a lot on this vlog. Kasi, this is just my everyday life. Ito lang yung ginagawa ko every single day, guys. Nothing exciting. Yan. If I don't go to the salon, I do some errands, and yeah, if I don't do some errands, and then I go to the salon. So yan, so mag-breakfast muna ako, and I will see you later. Bye. Guys, we're here sa SMC side. Bagong hangout namin ni Ricky. Bago. Pero may manggod na, diba? Lagi naman tayo dito sa SMC side, and we are eating lunch dito sa may supermarket. Kasi wala, para maiba, kasi lagi na lang Jollibee, Burger King, yan, lagi na lang dyan. So para maiba naman, and I'm gonna show you kung ano yung kinakain namin ngayon, guys.
Wala kami pera ngayon.
Breakfast tayo kasi may egg. Yun sa akin, dalawang barbecue, egg and rice. Sa kanya, the same. Walang extra barbecue kasi diet siya. And then may iced tea. Tapos ano na to, set na to, 50 pesos lang. Yan. Then we also bought some water. Yan, kain tayo! Guys, we're home! Just timing. Kasi umuulan na, guys. Grabe. When yung palabas na kami sa SMC side, tapos yung pa-bridge na doon, umulan na. So, timing lang din na nakauwi na kami. So, yan. And
Go home? You go home?
I bought something interesting from 138. I'm gonna show you guys. Hi guys! So, ngayon, mag-haul ako ng konti kung ano yung binili namin sa 138 Mall. Diba, pumunta kami kaninang 138 Mall. But I haven't vlogged after doon sa SM nung kumain kami kasi nagmamadali na kami, guys. And I don't have time na to get my phone para mag-vlog. So, ito yung binili ko sa 138 Mall, guys. Hello Kitty mug. Kasi nasira na yung yung mug ko na isa. May crack na siya dito. So, I need to replace that one. And then, I saw this one. Diba, ang cute? It's Hello Kitty. And then, yung reason talaga na pumunta kami doon, guys, is we wanted to buy, yung harness ni Maui. Kasi, ilang beses nang sinira ni Maui yung harness niya. Grabe. He's biting on it and he's, biting and chewing it. And he escaped a couple of times na. So, we bought another and this one, Ay, yung mug pala is only 42 pesos. Ayun. I don't know if you can see that. Basta yan. 42 pesos. And this harness is like mga, mura lang din to. Like, 200 pesos lang. If you're going to go to yung sa mga pet store or yung sa Ace Hardware, this costs around 700 pesos na. So, yan. Sa 138 Mall, marami silang ganito, guys, compared sa Unitop or something. Mas marami talaga doon sa 138. Sa Kaking. Yan. And then I also, tapos eto din, yung chain kasi, it needs to be like this kay Maui. Kasi nga, he's chewing on anything, and this one is lang 100 per. Hi Miguel! There's Miguel! Hi Miguel! Go home, go home. Ayan. And then I also got I was planning to buy yung pang yung para sa Oh my God. Yung para sa kuto na ano, na supply. And then, my God, he's eating that gatla. Asa na to, Day? Baba. Ito na? Ano, ito? Oh my God, don't. Oh my God. What are you doing? Miguel swallowed the plastic. Okay, get it away from me. So, yun nga. My God, Miguel swallowed the plastic. Miguel, you're so weird. And then yun nga, I wanted to buy yung comb para sa mga lice nila Baba and Sashi. And I saw something online but ang hirap kasi meet up lang din. And from meet up lang din. So I saw this one there. Tiding! Ito yung sinasabi ko guys, yung para sa head lice. And this one is very cheap. I was so shocked kasi ano sa online it's like 35 or 40 pesos and this one is only 19 pesos, diba? Grabe! So I was so happy na hindi ako nakabili doon sa online kasi 19 pesos lang doon sa 138 mall. And then bumili din ako ng ganitong suklay. Grabe, ang mura. Para kay Baba to guys kasi para sa ano grooming kit niya. So ito is 9 pesos lang. And then I also got her ito headband. Kasi naka-ribbon siya. This is only 25 pesos. Grabe. So cheap. I don't know, you want? You try? Ako wants to try the headband. Sana dalawa na lang yung binili ko, but Papa said one daw. And then, sabi ni Rookie, di ba you wanted pamaypay? Yeah, and I said, oh yeah, oh may pamaypay. Tapos, eto yung binili kong pamaypay, guys. I know, the design on this one is for matanda, but ito lang yung pinaka-decent na design doon. And this one is only 20 pesos. Yan. May pamaypay na ako while I'm, filming. Ganyan. And then I also got battery. Yan. Mura lang din yung battery nila. Only 13 pesos lang din. Alkaline na. And then the last, but not the least, of course, eyelashes. Yeah. I got another of these eyelashes. This one is my favorite one, the Y66. Yeah. Ito yung itsura niya. My favorite, pwede in any occasion. Yan. So, yan lang guys. Yun yung binili namin sa 138 Mall. 138 Mall, yeah. It was so fun. Ang dami pang mga cute stuff doon, but I think I don't need them. So yun lang. Bye. Tapos meron pa pala guys, ito din yung gusto kong bilhin doon sa 138. Kasi nung doon sa SM Seaside, I asked if how much is this one and it was like 450. Then when I saw this there sa 138, sabi ni ate girl na this is magkano yun? 200 pesos. But naghagol kami ni Rookie and pwede bang 150? Tapos sabi nung ng in-check na 180 lang. So yan. May na ako. May stand na ako. May tripod na ako para sa cellphone ko. I'm so happy. Yay! This is only 180 pesos. Ito, try na ni Baba yung yung sewed sa ulo. Yung headlights na comb. Headlights comb. Ouch! Taro nga, basig matagak nga. Dira ang imong kutuha. Jud sa kamot. Oh. Wala mang ito din, meron din to. Salarain. Sakit mo ka. So, I made iced tea guys kasi ang init. You wanna drink iced tea? We don't drink iced tea every time. Yeah, kasi hindi din siya. Nilagyan ko lang ng isang ice. Tapos yan, medyo maraming tubig para hindi masyadong matamis. And then, kaya na ko itong muncher. Gusto ko sana yung yung walang coat. Pero ang laki kasi walang ganitong size. Kaya, ito na lang yung Tapos, ito yung sa kanila. Yan. And although nakapagsaing na din ako, and I also separated the dog's food, yung ground pork na binili namin. Yeah, sineparate ko na. And then Rookie is over there fixing Miguel's house kasi ang laki na ni Miguel guys, lampas na siya sa niya, sa cage niya, kaya dinagdagan ni Rookie para hindi na maka-jump si Miguel doon. Yan, sorry for the clutter behind me. I can't do anything about it. So, yan. So, grabe, ang init. I'm gonna drink iced tea. Gamitin ko na itong Hello Kitty mug ko. But I wanted to drink coffee. But, mamaya na kasi ang init. Gonna drink iced tea first. Yung flavor pala nito is yung apple. Grabe. Oh, it tastes so good. And bumili din ako nito guys, yung Belo Intense White na deodorant. Deodorant ba to? Hindi ko makita. Antiperspirant. Yeah, deodorant. Yung small lang yung binili ko. This is only 63 pesos. Akala ko one size lang yung malaki. Pagkakita ko, oh my god, that is so big. And what if hindi ko magustuhan, diba? So, buti na lang may small. And, yeah. I'm gonna try this one. And I'm gonna do a dedicated video on this one. Yeah, kung if this works kasi I was really amazed with sa commercial sa TV ba yun or sa Facebook yata ko nakita si Ann Curtis na nakalift yung kilikili niya and he's using Belo. Too good to be true, diba? So, let's see. Kain tayo guys. Snack namin ni Baba. Nag-snack kami ni Baba. Tapos, iced tea. Yan. Lumpia. Ang dami nang naubos ni Baba. O, tanawa. 2 floors na yung naubos niya. Parang bago yung packaging. Marami siya plastic. Pop. So guys, I think mag-good night na ako and yeah, I wanted to take a shower na kasi it's already late and yeah, I need to wake up early tomorrow like mga around 6, so I need to sleep like mga 10 or 11 but I still need to, maybe I'll do a little editing and uploading para sa Friday na video ko kasi I already scheduled for Wednesday and Thursday. So, Friday na lang yung kulang. So, yan na lang yung gagawin ko, guys. And, yeah. Pero, magsha-shower muna ako kasi ang init. Para makapag-concentrate naman ako during editing kasi if it's so this hot, hindi ako makapag-concentrate sa pag-editing. So, yun. I'm gonna take a shower first and then, yeah, mag-i-edit. Yun lang. So, good night guys. I hope you had a wonderful day today and always remember to be nice, be kind and keep that smile, and I'll see you on my next video. Good night.